My goodness, it's turned cold. Where's that draft coming from? Whew, my goodness. Today, I want to speak to you about how to keep your home more energy efficient in the wintertime here in Central Texas. Stay tuned for 7 tips on keeping your home warmer in the winter for less money. Right after this. Hi, I'm Anthony George of Remax Syntex here in Waco, Texas. Each week I put together a video pertaining to real estate in the Waco market. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified each Monday as I put out new content. Or leave a comment below on what you think of this video or any other subject that you'd like me to speak about. Today, I would like to talk about 7 ways to save money at home during the winter. Starting now. Number 1, the easiest way to save money this winter in your home is to reverse the ceiling fans. In the summer, the cool air is at the bottom of the floor. You want to blow the air down. In the winter, we want to bring it up and force the warm air that's on the ceiling back down the sides of the walls. So in the winter time, you want to click that little switch, reverse the ceiling fan to where the blades are bringing the air up, converting it across the ceiling, and lowering it back down the walls to the floor to create a better airflow in your home and make sure the heat is getting everywhere that it needs to get. Number 2, consider going out and picking up some of this little plastic film that you can find at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, Ace Hardware. It just has sticky on all sides, goes around the windows on the inside of the home. It just helps with any draft or the coldness from the window panes. It's just another layer of protection. And like I say, they're cheap. 10, 15 bucks, maybe 30. You can do most of your house, the whole house. A lot of the homes here in Central Texas have older style windows, the aluminum style windows. These will help reduce a lot of that cold air that's coming in through the windows, making your home a more comfortable environment and saving you money on your energy bill. Draft guards at the bottom of each door. Consider putting a draft guard in, especially all entry doors from the outside. Any rooms that you have closed off that you're not using. A draft guard will keep any air from coming underneath the door and cooling your home when you're trying to heat it. Again, saving you valuable dollars. Number 4, replace the air filter element. This will pull air in more efficiently to help heat your home for less money. So remember, replace your air filter and try to put this on a schedule to where you do it once a month. That will keep your house in tip-top shape whether we're trying to heat it or cool it in the summertime. Number 5, install a programmable thermostat. Have the ability to where when you're not at home, lower your heat just a little. And when you're home, raise it back up. When you get ready for bed, lower it down a couple degrees and crawl under the covers and keep yourself warm that way. That will reduce your heating bills throughout your home. Again, saving you money in the long run. Number 6, make sure the caulking around your windows is in good and operable shape. As over time, caulk will dry out and start to crack. Make sure on the interior and the exterior of all windows that your caulk is in good shape and replace it if need be. Number 7, and the most important, test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. The chances of your home going up in flames and burning in the wintertime are 2 to 3 times higher because of your heating source. A lot of times we'll put portable heaters in different spots of the house, forget about them, burn candles that get knocked over. But make sure your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide, depending upon which type of heating source, are up to date and working. It's a very simple step, costs you virtually nothing to go around, push the button, make sure that it beeps and screams, and you're all good. If you need to replace the batteries, make sure that you get that done and try to put this again on a monthly rotation. If you like this content, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified each week as I post new content. leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this content or if you like me to talk about something else. Also, below are a couple guides that are absolutely free. Check those out. One is on buying your home, one is on selling your home. If you have any further questions, please reach out.